Hey everyone, I am back again today with another unboxing of my Planners Anonymous kit. This is the June kit and the theme is Wanderlust. This is the die cut that comes in every kit. I'm going to hold it so you can read it. So yes, if you'd like to pause that and read that, you can, and then you can use that as a die cut. And so yeah, let's just jump right in. This is the full-size stamp set that you get every single month. And if you notice here, the facial features, there are some. Traditionally, the girls didn't really have a face. And I know some people commented on that. I don't know if they changed it as a result of that, but I like them either way. And I really like their stamp sets because I feel like they give such a good variety of, you'll get practical shapes and things like that and frames and cutesy things like that, but also like really cute decorative elements. So this isn't a strictly functional planning stamp set. If you are a card maker or a scrapbooker, this would probably be a really good kit for you. Just because I feel like this particular kit lends itself especially well to that sort of thing. And for me, I am so excited about this kit because I actually do travel quite a lot. So I will make great use of things like the cruise ships and the plane, and I just got back again from Hawaii. So I'm always going somewhere. And I love that they include things like this because you'll see this in most of their kits. So you have this base like stamp and this base image, and then you can choose which shape you want to put inside it. So I really like that, and they do this a lot. Like their girl stamps, you can put them in different outfits and stuff like that. It's just so impossibly clever. So and then let me show you the pen. Hopefully like we can get a good look at it. I will try to take photos and put those on my Instagram too. I feel like the pens are always so hard to show, but we have like a raspberry color, a light pink, a light blue, and then a medium blue, and then a darker blue. So quite a variety of crystals in there. And if you like pen gems or couture pens, the quality is on par with those, and that's a $13 pen right there. So and you don't have to, oh well, hopefully it matches my kits, and you're kind of going through your collection trying to find one that works, or two. I will often have more than one pen in my planner. I know a lot of us are like that. So I love that you're guaranteed one that will match the kit every single month. And then we have, let's do the papers so that we can kind of just move them out of the way. You get 6 sheets, and they are double-sided. So these are on the back side of these will be these images. I am so sorry, you guys. I've been so hot, so I had to open the window. I hopefully finally have the lighting right, but now we've got noise. So you can see that there. And I really like the theme of this kit, and I love the artwork for this one. The colors are kind of right up my alley. The washi is pretty much always my favorite part. I'm just a real heavy washi user, and I love it, and they give you a very generous amount. And like the Hawaii and cruise ones and just different things like that, I will get a lot of use out of that particular washi. And I always say this, I love that their sequins include shaped sequins, so they're not your standard round ones. I'm so sorry. I hiccup like all the time. It's like, we all have our quirks, but that one is mine, and it is weird. It's a weird thing. So we have little cars, and I have never seen that in another kit. And then, yeah, I really need to do something with my sequins because I've been stockpiling them, and I get in these moods where, like, I want to use sequins all the time, and then 6 months will go by and I won't use them. But I love the way they store them, and in fact I like it so much that I bought some more of these. You can get them at the Container Store, Amazon, different places. I bought more of these to store sequins from other companies. We have, okay, so this was the same as last month, and they're just watercolor, like, swatches in the colors of the kit, so that they're not terribly exciting, and we won't waste too much time on those. These are the journaling cards, and I love the backer cards. I love that they do that. Adventure is calling me. Take the road less traveled. Plan, travel, love. Adventure begins here. The best stories are found in a passport. Say yes to adventures. And again, I love all of these. You know, there are some kits from them that I get much more excited about than others, and this one I am definitely just all over. I really like this one, especially because I feel like most travel themed kits take the very traditional route of going kind of sepia toned, and they could have done that here and it would have been fine, but I love that they took the opportunity to have a little bit of fun with color. And, you know, you've got pinks and purples and blues and really no real brown in sight. So if you're not like a brown person, and I'm not really a brown person, not that there's anything wrong with that, you can, like, this is definitely the travel themed kit for you. So I'm very excited about it. And I like that they kept it international, like all the different countries, and then they included cruise too, because there are some people that's the only way they choose to vacation, and then they have road trips, and it's the same thing with that. So I like that this particular theme feels, it has the potential to be somewhat isolating, yet at the same time I really feel like they managed to accommodate everyone. So yeah, I like that. Ooh, I like that one. I like that one. I like this one. This one. That's a good one too. Airplane, and then a caravan or a camper or an RV, I guess, depending on where you're from, you might call it different things. So yes, I love so many of these. I mean, that one's so cute. And did we get that one in the stamp set? No, unfortunately we did not, but still so cute. So that will be like a special one that I laminate. Okay, and then we have the stickers. Oh, that's cute. They're little suitcases. And okay, so these will work on these, and I feel like prior to this they used to do these would match the papers. They just used the regular papers, and they would punch them, and that was fine, but it could get a little bit busy, and I think that this just works better. So if you don't have super stellar handwriting like myself, you can use these, and then just the black on the white background really makes it pop. And then, oh, we got another one of those. And a little tip, something I like to do is I will just take the sticker and put it on laminating paper and laminate my stickers. If it's something really special, I will turn it into a die cut, or I'll put that on cardstock first, so I have a cute little border. So we have all these. Let me hold them closer. Just because I really do like this. And then we have another one of these really cool stickers. You can put notes in or just use as kind of an interesting element. And I like that you could probably take these stickers and put them in here. So how you use this is you lift up these 2/3, okay? And you're gonna fold this back on this, so fold it like that. And then this here, this last third, that is the part that gets stuck down on the page. So then it just opens. Does that make sense? You have, this is the outside cover, and then this is the interior. So it's like a little booklet inside your booklet. I love that. And then, you know, again, more of this gorgeous artwork. Really cannot say enough good things about this kit. I think that this would be my second favorite kit. After the high tea one that came out last February, second favorite kit, hands down. And I did want to mention, it appears as though we're getting roughly the same amount of stickers. I can't remember if these used to come in here. I should remember this. But we're getting roughly the same amount of stickers. It's just these stickers are on a 4x6 as opposed to the 2x3. And I'm gonna say it's probably down to these larger stickers, and it's a trade-off. If you like a smaller planner, you know, like a pocket size or an A6 or a micro, you cannot put these in your planner unless you kind of cut them down. But if you carry a larger planner, and I know that the owner of the company, I think her name is Sammy, she really likes a B6. If you have a larger planner, these will fit in the pocket, no problem. So yes, something to consider. I just loved the ease of being able to pop those tiny little sheets in my planner and just have something there. So if I found myself with a few spare moments while my son was at preschool, I could like sit down, whether I was in the car waiting for him or if I had the luxury of going to Starbucks, something like that. I could do some quick planning for the next week or the current week and decorate, because I'd have my washing on a card and then the stickers and they all match. So yes, so yeah, it's a bit of a trade-off, but I'm still very happy. Okay, so that is it for this video. If you like this video, want to see more, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. I always appreciate that. If you want to subscribe to this kit, check out down below. I have a referral link and you will save 10% off your first box, which is always a good thing. And I will save 10% off my next box, which is very helpful because I can justify continuing to buy them and then giving you guys videos like this. All right, until next time. Bye.